Discovering flavors. The journey into authentic cuisine. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the flavors and stories behind authentic cuisine. This term is not just about food. It's about culture, tradition, and the art of cooking. If you've ever wondered what makes a dish authentically Italian, traditionally Japanese, or genuinely Mexican, then this video is for you. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. Authentic cuisine refers to food that is made using the traditional ingredients, techniques, and recipes of a particular region or culture. It's not just about the taste. It's about preserving the culinary heritage passed down through generations. When we talk about authentic cuisine, we speak of a dish's fidelity to its roots, its ability to reflect the history, culture, and soul of its origin. The heart of authentic cuisine lies in its ingredients. Authentic dishes are made with local, indigenous ingredients that are specific to the region. These ingredients are often grown locally and have a deep connection to the land and its people. The use of fresh, high-quality ingredients not only enhances the flavor but also ensures the dish remains true to its original form. Another crucial aspect of authentic cuisine is the adherence to traditional cooking methods and recipes. These techniques have been perfected over time and are a testament to a culture's culinary history. Whether it's slow cooking, fermenting, or the unique way of spicing, these methods contribute significantly to the authenticity of the dish. Authentic cuisine is not just about food. It's a narrative of the people and their history. It tells stories of celebrations, seasons, and everyday life. Understanding the cultural significance behind a dish adds a layer of appreciation and connects us more deeply to the world around us. In today's global village, authentic cuisine has a dual role. While it continues to represent and preserve a culture's culinary identity, it also acts as a bridge, introducing and educating people about new cultures and tastes. The spread of authentic dishes across borders is a testament to humanity's shared love for good food and its power to unite us. And that wraps up our journey into the world of authentic cuisine. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the traditional flavors and stories that each authentic dish carries. Food is not just sustenance. It's a celebration of our rich, diverse cultures. So, the next time you savor an authentic dish, remember, it's not just a meal, it's a tale of tradition and passion. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to explore, taste, and enjoy the authentic flavors around you.